What do you say when you don't have a lot of experience and the company actually brings you up on it and says, look, we just feel like you don't have enough experience to do what we want you to do for them. So say you've got like no background in what you want to do for them, but you need the client to give you an opportunity, in essence, to give you that chance. What you basically want to do is say, look, I completely understand. One, don't just be like, if someone says they have an objection, don't just try dealing with that objection straight away. Like, no, I don't think so. Like, don't like reject them on it, because that can come across a little bit argumentative, and you don't want it sounding like that. So the client says, look, we like what you say. We're interested in what you're saying. We just feel like you're a little bit less experienced to the sort of person we would want to use. That's amazing. You want to really use that to your advantage, and I'm going to tell you how. Because what you want to do is turn your negative into a positive. I'm going to tell you how you can use that. If you turn around to the client now and say, look, I completely understand, and that's fair enough. And I know I don't have that much experience behind me, but I know one thing for sure. I'm not working with 10 other companies, and I'm not working with 15 other companies. So if you agree to give me this opportunity, I know I'm going to want to, make sure you're happy with the service. I'm going to want to know, I want you to know I would want to break my back to provide the right service for you. I don't have, so many other clients that I need to focus on. You would be my focus. You would be my main client. And I know you might feel like I'm not that experienced right now, but I need you to give me that opportunity so I can prove it otherwise. Otherwise I'll never be able to prove it. And sometimes we need people like yourself to give me that opportunity. So I'm editing this video out right now, and I thought I'd just get it out for you because I mentioned this clip in my sales course, which inshallah is coming out on Friday. It's a long course. This is a tiny little point. The course is going to be for hours and hours. But I thought I'd share this with you because I know this one question will benefit you guys. So again, make sure you like and share this if you benefit from it.